Good morning, dear students of class 7. I hope all of you are fine. Students, today we'll be starting with a new topic of our writing section, that is diary entry. After watching this PPT, you will be familiar with the concept of diary entry, get a line about its format, learn about some famous diaries and their writers, and you will be able to try out a piece of diary entry on your own. So, what is a diary entry? A diary entry is a written record of personal events which describes what happened over the course of a person's life. It is an informal way of expressing oneself. It reveals the emotions and feelings of the writer. A person can write whatever he or she feels like, free of outside judgment or criticism. It is an extension of our mind, safe and free. Students, have you heard of the famous book by a little Jewish girl called Anne Frank? The book was an adaptation made out of a teenage deceased girl's diary. It was later published by her own only surviving member, her father. Now we come to the format of the diary entry. We write the date on the left hand corner, then we write the time on the same line on the right hand corner. Students, please note that we always write the time in the 12 hours format. And usually we write the diary entry when we end up our day. That means at the night time around about 9 or 10 p.m. In the next line, we write the day in the left hand corner. Then we leave a line and write the salutation, which is Dear Diary. Then we start with the main content or the main body. Body comprises of 3 paragraphs. First includes the introduction, second includes the experience from the event, and third includes the outcome or the learning from the event. There are some key points in the format of the diary entry. The date is written towards the left hand corner and time towards the right hand side corner in the same line. The day is written in the next line towards the left side. It will be followed by a salutation which can be Dear Diary. The word limit of the body should be within 100 to 120 words. And the body is divided into 3 paragraphs. First paragraph includes the introduction about the event. Second paragraph includes the experience from the event. And third paragraph includes the outcome or learning from the event or a concluding note. Now we come up to one example of how to write a diary entry. You are a resident of Kashmir's famous Lal Bagh area. Recently, your state suffered a lot due to heavy rainfall. As a result, your area was flooded. You had to abandon your home and live in a relief camp. Many people were injured. Make a diary entry recording your experience in the relief camp. We write the date first, that is 21st September 2020. In the same line, moving towards the right side, we write the time, 10 p.m. In the next line, we write the day, that is Thursday. After leaving a line, we write Dear Diary and then we start. Today is my 5th day at the relief camp. Life here is very tough. We had to leave our home as water reached the first floor. Thank God, we are safe, but life is far from normal. The army is doing their best to provide assistance, but it is not enough. There is shortage of food, clean drinking water, medicines and warm clothes. While living within the comfort of my house, I had never realized that life could be such a pain. My sister has fever since the past 2 days. She has received no medical attention until now. I pray to God that this phase gets over soon and we return back home. I don't want to live in these circumstances anymore. Now, there are some points to remember. A diary should be written in first person, that is, I, we, my, etc., since this is your personal story or personal account of the event. It is written in an informal way. Date, day, and time of the entry is to be mentioned. Be honest, truthful, and natural while writing a diary entry. Try making it a habit, and the word limit of a diary entry is 100 to 120 words. Students, I hope the topic is clear to you all. Thank you.